So how do we connect our laptop here, as you can see, to our AOC monitor? Well, to be able to connect it here to your AOC monitor, what you need to do firstly is that you're going to grab the HDMI cable that you should have gotten when you purchased the AOC monitor. So it needs to go into your laptop. So just find where it can actually go into your laptop. For me, it's just right here, as you can see. And the other end needs to go somewhere right here. So for me, I had to insert it right here. I don't know if there is any logo, I don't think so, or maybe there is, but you can see it's going to be basically here at the monitor. And of course, also don't forget to turn on like the power cable right here. Of course, that's very important that you also insert that one if you haven't done so already. So once you have done so, we can now go here. I'm gonna show you. Just gonna flip the camera real quick here to the AOC monitor. So basically what we need to do now is to just turn it on, and you turn it on by finding this power button here and clicking on it. You will see a light here most likely. And you can see here, and perfect. Now my laptop is connected to my AOC monitor here, and that is basically exactly how to do this.